I'll show you the contents of the Space Center set before I start building the gantry. First, a manual, usual stuff, showing you the stages, and also realised they made a mistake in the manual, so they gave an extra stage, 16 and 19, extra few washers you need for it. No problem there. Came with a cool booklet showing other Meccano sets you can buy. This was printed in 2004, the set came out in 2005. Got your strips, different colours, the plates again, different sizes, colours again, flange plates, brace girders, some zinc girders, standard handle brackets and so on. 2 sleeve pieces, your nuts and bolts, standard screwdriver and spanner, plastic parts, the rocket, boosters and so on, washers, and these nice ones for your, what you call boilers for your boiler. Okay, and that is the content of the set. Now to the gantry. Here's the model completed of the gantry for the Space Rocket set. Not a bad model. I had 1 or 2 little things to use. I used the box spanner to help out to get the nuts between your braces. That helped out a lot. And a bit of blue tack. Got a little nice little crane here. Goes up and down. It doesn't show exactly the length of the cable, so I've just guessed it at the moment. On the plans, on the base, the back of the model shows you a fish plate, number 10 part. It goes in one hole. It was a bit awkward to figure out where it went, so you connect your front one in first on the base, and then you'll definitely have to where it goes. All in all, good design height, which is 25 inches high from the base to the top of the gantry. And let's go to the rocket. Here's the stages of the rocket, bottom half, stage 1 to 6 completed. Not too bad, except for when you got your form slotted strips here, a bit tight, so what I did, loosen the bolts of it first, then put them in, and then tighten them up as I go along and squeezed it in. So that's the thing there. So not too bad, nice and solid and firm. Now onto the next stage. The middle section here to complete. Off we go. There's more parts of the model completed, stage 4 to 14. Stage 4 okay, stage 6 I had the problem here, the plate's going round. What I had to do here, I don't know if you can see, is I had to overlap the plate by 1 hole to make it smoother going round. If you didn't, this stuck out. The booster section, that was okay, that's not so bad to do. I'll just give you a side view of it. If you can see that one, nicely done, nice detail. Inside the rocket is more parts. Now this piece here is ready for a bolt to screwing into for the nose cone section. So that's from stage 15 now, which is another black and white parts wrapping around it, which goes further smoother in that direction to the nose cone. So we'll complete that now and see how we go. Okay, the final part for the rocket completed, stage 15 to 20. We're going to stage 15, which is wrong on the manual. What I have to do here, I've put extra washers on from over it. Where it says to put that one at the end and the top one at the end, if you did that, it made it wider at top, completely like a V shape. So what I had to do here is overlap it by 1 hole at the top, the same as the back, same again. So the bottom one's just put at the very ends, and you'll get a nice round shape for that. Okay. Stage 16, like it said in the extra piece of paper, put extra washer in. Yes, it is correct doing that. If you don't, what it is, this part here, you see the plastic part here hopefully, the idea is that sticks in further. If it didn't, that just comes off loose. So there's the centre there. Underneath here, that's what I was on about earlier on. The screw, the little bolt there for screwing into centre. Simple thing. Put these on two together first, and then that in last. And same as your top piece here. That was easy to do. In the final bit on stage 19, the extra washer again was correct. Doing it, a bit more firm grip again, sticks in nice and firm. And I did find, I'll take this off here, my 28mm bolt was slightly short, so I had to find another one, replace it, so be aware of that. And then that will stick on. All you have to do is push it in, make that firm, and that's it. And we're going to add those together on top of the rocket and show the final model. There we go. Here's the final model completed of the Apollo rocket. From the boosters to the tip of the rocket, it's 25 inches high exactly. That's the gantry or the tower, whichever way you call it, completed as well. With the crane lifting gear. So we'll lift that out of the way before we launch the rocket. To launch a rocket must travel nearly 40 times faster than a jumbo jet to blast into space. Slower than that, the gravity will pull it back to Earth. Rockets are powered by burning fuel, which makes hot gases. These gases rush out of the engines, shooting the rocket upwards. That is a space fact. Thank you for watching Meccano for the Space Age final chapter. Bye for now.